to be destined for greatness. Thank you for guiding me on my journey towards my best life and myself. I am grateful for my continued growth and transformation. I am open to all the new opportunities aligning with my desires. I am so thankful for this new purpose in my life. I trust in the process and know that everything happens as it should. I release fear and doubt and embrace success with courage and faith. I am becoming the best version of myself, and I am thankful. I am constantly learning and evolving, and I am grateful. I am grateful for the challenges that have helped me become stronger and wiser. I am grateful for the blessings that brought me joy and abundance. I am grateful for the lessons that have taught me valuable insights and wisdom. I am grateful for the people who love and support me. I am grateful to always have what I need. Thank you for my journey towards my desired state.